Most people don't get serious about money until it's almost too late. The good news? You don't need a high income or a finance degree to win. You need 7 moves, and the earlier you make them, the less they cost you. Number 4 is the one almost everyone skips, and it quietly costs them the most. Let's go. Number 1. Build a 1-month buffer first, not a 6-month one. Everyone tells you to save 6 months of expenses. That number is so big it makes people give up before they start. Don't. Your first goal is 1 single month of expenses in a separate account you never touch. That 1 month is what stops a flat tire from becoming credit card debt. Hit 1 month, then keep going, but get the first month done fast. Number 2. Automate the boring stuff. Willpower is a terrible savings plan. The day your paycheck lands, money should move automatically, to savings, to investing, to bills, before you ever see it. What you don't see, you don't spend. Set it up once, and your future is funded on autopilot. Number 3. Kill high-interest debt like it's on fire. A credit card charging 20+% is the closest thing to a financial emergency that doesn't feel like one. No investment reliably beats that, so paying it off is your best return. List your debts, attack the highest interest rate first, and don't add new balances while you do it. Number 4. Start investing before you feel ready. This is the one people skip, and it's the most expensive mistake on this list. The biggest factor in building wealth isn't how much you invest, it's how long it grows. Money invested in your 20s can outgrow far larger sums invested in your 40s, purely because of time. A simple, low-cost index fund, bought consistently, beats waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment was years ago. The second best moment is today. Number 5. Increase the gap, not just the income. A raise feels great until your spending rises to match it. That's the trap that keeps high earners broke. Wealth isn't what you make, it's the gap between what you make and what you spend. Every time your income goes up, send at least half of the increase straight to savings before lifestyle creep eats it. Number 6. Protect your future earnings. Your ability to earn is your single biggest asset, and most people leave it unprotected. Basic insurance, an updated emergency fund, and not co-signing things you can't afford, these are boring, and boring is exactly what keeps you from going back to zero after one bad year. Number 7. Learn to read one number, net worth. Forget tracking every coffee. Track one number once a month, everything you own minus everything you owe. That single number tells you the truth no budget app can. Are you actually moving forward? Watch it climb, and every other decision gets easier. Do these 7 and your 40s become the decade you get to enjoy, not the one you spend catching up. If this helped, subscribe. I break down one money concept like this every week. And tell me in the comments, which number are you starting with? See you in the next one.